Welcome to the Xtrade Market Channel.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices rose almost 2%, hitting a one-week high to finish last week, after weaker than expected US payrolls data boosted Federal Reserve rate cut expectations and fresh tariff announcements spurred safe haven demand. OPEC Plus agreed in principle to boost oil output by 548,000 barrels per day in September, as the group finishes unwinding its biggest tranche of production cuts amid fears of further supply disruptions from Russia. Japan's manufacturing activity shrank in July after briefly stabilising in the previous month, as weak demand pulled production back into contraction. The S&P Global Japan Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index fell to 48.9 in July from 50.1 in June. The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.